Today, I will show you how easy and simple it is to download Wondershare UniConverter absolutely free. Yes, you heard right, free. Follow the on-screen instructions. And in a couple of minutes, you will be able to enjoy all the features of Wondershare UniConverter. It's like a Swiss Army knife, only for videos. So download Wondershare UniConverter for free and discover a world of endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and may your video always be in the format you need.
Hello.